Hey everybody, my name's Johnny and I work as a product specialist at 4XM. This is just a quick demo video for our laptop locks. We have the black and standard colors respectively, but the process is the same. So I'll go ahead and flip the camera around here. There we go. So here are the two models here. As you can see, black and standard. We also have a printout that can be found on our product pages for within both of the models. It's just a write-out on how this process works. But I think the visual and video process will be a little more helpful to you. So we'll start with that. So out of the bag, your code is going to be 000, and that's the code that's going to work to unlock the device. Now, if you want to change this code, you take a screwdriver or something thin and pokey, put some tension on this button on the bottom here. I like to put tension on with my palm and then grab it here like this to keep the tension. Then I have my other hand I can change the code with. So let's just say I want it to be 9,000. I'll release the button. As you can see, 9,000 is now the code that unlocks the device. And if I go back to the 000, that code no longer works. And you can repeat this process however you'd like, set your code however you'd like, and keep your laptop safe. Thanks for watching.